Hello everyone, today let's know about the 20 snakes named just like King Cobra, Indian Cobra. First, King Cobra. The King Cobra is the longest venomous snake. King Cobra can raise its head and spread a hood. King Cobra mainly eats other snakes. Next, Indian Cobra. The Indian Cobra has a hood with a mark. Indian Cobra is found in India. Indian Cobra bite is very dangerous. Next, Black Mamba. The Black Mamba is very fast. It is one of the most dangerous snakes. It lives in Africa. Next, Green Anaconda. The Green Anaconda is very big and heavy. Lives in water and kills prey by squeezing. Next, Reticulated Python. This snake is very long. Reticulated python has a beautiful pattern on its body. It wraps around its prey. Next, Burmese python. The Burmese python is large and strong. It lives in forest and near water. Burmese python it kills by squeezing animals. Next, ball python. This snake is small and calm. Ball python rolls into a ball when scared. Ball python is popular as a pet. Next, Russell's viper. This snake is very dangerous. Russell viper has brown spots on its body. Lives in Asia. Next, saw-scaled viper. This snake makes a hissing sound. It rubs its scale together. Saw-scaled viper, small but very venomous. Next, Gaboon viper. This snake has a wide head. Gaboon viper has long fangs. Gaboon viper lives in African forests. Next, coral snake. This snake has bright colors. Red, yellow and black bands are seen. It is very venomous. Next, milk snake. This milk snake looks like a coral snake. It's not dangerous to humans and red, black colors. Next, red snake. The red snake is non-venomous snake. Eats rats and small animals and have fool very farmers. Next, garter snake. This snake is small and harmless. Garter snake has stripes on its body. Garter snake lives in gardens and fields. Next, Hognose snake. This snake has a funny nose. Plays dead when scared. Hognose snake, it is harmless. Next, Boomslang. This snake lives in trees. Boomslang has big eyes. Boomslang is venomous but shy. Next, Copperhead. This snake has a copper colored head. Copperhead is found in forest. Copperhead bite can hurt humans. Next, Bushmaster. This is a very large viper. Bushmaster lives in rainforest. Bushmaster is very dangerous. Next, sea snake. Sea snakes live in the ocean. Sea snakes are good swimmers. Sea snake, most are venomous. Next, wine snake. This snake is thin like a vine. Wine snakes lives in trees. Wine snake has green color.